ফিল্ডসনি চিসনি লুকুরাইদা সাল পালাইজাখা কাঞ্চনপুরनि ক্রিকেট एसोसिएशन मातो जत जागाव पालाइजाकमा हाइके काঞ্চনপুরব জানুয়ারি 29 सालमारि तांगसल सब डिविजन लेवल ফিল্ডসনি চিসনি লুকুরাইদা সাল পালাইজাখা हाकतनि बाना तिसालाइमुनि बिसेंतै हाकतनि बाना तिसानायागै बाजागैखा काঞ্চনপুর कन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनि एमएलए फिलिप कुमार रिया तंग जुदा जुदा रोंनकनि रों स्ट्रोंनाय तै रों फोरोंनाय र
Which is the last person in the village. As an elected representative, I stand before you with deep sense of responsibility. My commitment is not only to development on paper, but to real change in the daily life. Our main focus remains on improving roads, water, connectivity, education, healthcare facilities, employment opportunities, and social welfare schemes, ensuring that the progress reaches every household. I would also like to draw attention to some development works undertaken in my constituency. More than 3,500 houses completed under PM Jalma scheme and more than 3,000 new PMAY greenhouse are completed, which will be sanctioned this year. 87% families provided drinking water. Solar electrification of unconnected education is going on. So far, Dukkaram, Sotapur, Dijipur, Para, Bihapara are connected. Gaza RD block has got second position among 500 traditional blocks in the country in the July-September 2005 quarter, with a price money of ₹2 crore. In health sector, 7 out of 14 health personnel have been certified under National Quality Assurance Standard. More than 1,000 HCC groups for covering over 9,000 families, a credit linkage loan of nearly 4 crores have been provided in the last 6 months. Special project in healthcare sector, ₹1.5 crores sanctioned for mobile medical unit. Regarding the road, Motusandra to Raimani-Para, Kalapani 8.95 km has been ongoing. Bhumika to FS Lemon, 15 km tender process completed. Monoslerika, Panchayat Office, Lokara Road to Jirendra-Para and Spectrum-Para. Falgunde-Para, Bhakiram, Para, 1.3 km ongoing work. Colony 1 to Kanjai, 2.6 km ongoing work. Putkoram, Para to Disco-Mani-Para by Ableha, 4.7 km which is currently sanctioned. Bhumika to Slonu-Para by Lanchanu-Para, 9.7 km sanctioned. Putkoram-Para to Skotoga-Para via Dijipur-Para, 5.7 km sanctioned.